This is Filmic military time, what I call it. This is what's used to fill out timesheets and work cards on film sets, and it's unique to the film industry. The first part is self-explanatory. It's military time. You know, for a normal day, you're on regular time numbers from 7 a.m., 8 a.m., 9 a.m., 10 a.m., 11 a.m., 12 a.m. And then you get to 1 a.m. and you switch over to, oh, I guess 1 p.m. Well, you get to 1 p.m., you switch over to 13, 2 p.m., 14, 4, 16, 5, 17, and so on and so forth. Now, let's get to the minutes here. For another important factor is the unique military time. Every hour is broken down in 60 minutes, and we're doing 60 divided by 10 equals 6. You put those minutes into 10 groups. Look at our time in 6-minute chunks. A clip of a time is a tenth. We look at our time in 6-minute chunks. Tenth of an hour is another way to think of a click. So this is an example of how we break down the minutes. So 7:04 a.m. equals 7.1. 7:07 a.m. equals 7.2. 7:15 a.m. equals 7.3. 7:22 a.m. equals 7.4. 7:30 a.m. equals 7.5. 7:34 a.m. equals 7.6. 7:42 a.m. equals 7.7. And 7:45 a.m. equals 7.8. 7:52 a.m. equals 7.9. And then when you get to over 7:54 into 7:55, you round up to 8. You just round up to the next number. Now this is the same principle through all numbers. So you see here, it's exactly the same when you get to a 9. It would be the same if you got to a 13, a 14, or a 15. 15.4 would equal 15.1, 15.7. 1507 would equals 15.2. That's another really unique aspect of Filmic military time, is breaking down the minutes into chunks like this. Here is another unique key aspect of Filmic military time that makes it different from military time. This is a key aspect of Filmic military time that makes it different from ordinary military time. You see here, we go beyond the 24-hour clock to 25, 26, 27. Now, why is that? That's because in the film industry, people work really odd hours. They work in the middle of the night, they do night shifts. And typically we do this when somebody works like 6 p.m. over and past midnight. This is when your call time is sometime at nighttime and you're working past midnight. So for example, say an editor shows up at 10:30 p.m. and they work till 3 a.m. You would write it as 22.5 to 27.0. So we would convert this to 27. Likewise, if it was 2, we would convert it to 26, 1, 25, and so forth. So that's what you get the 1 a.m. 25, 2 a.m. 26, and 3 a.m. 27. So yeah, that's all that's really different from the typical military time. It sounds tricky, but once you get it all in mind, it becomes second nature.